In this lesson, we're going to discuss relationships between arcs and central angles. So when we say central angle, this is an angle in the circle whose vertex is the center of the circle. So when we say vertex, yun yung intersection ng dalawang ray para maka-create ng angle. Dito sa circle C, ang vertex ng angle natin is at the center. So it means angle ACB is a central angle. It can be also called as angle BCA or angle 1, which has a measure of 60 degrees. In this figure, we have central angle ABC, wherein AC is its intercepted arc. So it says here that the degree measures of a minor arc is equal to the measure of the central angle which intercepts it. So here in this circle B, we have angle ABC which has a measure of 90 degrees. And since ABC or angle ABC is a central angle, it means the measure also of arc AC is equal to 90 degrees because it is its intercepted arc. We have here another statement that the degree measures of a major arc is equal to 360 minus the measure of the minor arc or central angle. So, based dun sa statement kanina na yung measurement of the angle ABC, which is the central angle, is equal to the measurement of its intercepted arc, which is arc AC. Then we have here another statement that the measurement of the major arc ADC is equal to 360 degrees minus the measurement of angle ABC, or 360 degrees minus the measurement of arc AC, which is the intercepted arc of the central angle. In the statement, it says here that a semicircle is always equal to the half of the circle's circumference. Remember, when we say circumference, that is the measurement around the circle or the length around the circle. So if we draw the diameter ABC here, the measurement of the semicircle is always half the circle's circumference. So when we say the circumference of this circle B is 10 centimeter, the measurement of the semicircle is 5 centimeter. We have here arc addition postulate. It says here that the measure of the arc formed by two adjacent arcs is the sum of the measure of the arcs. So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag meron daw isang arc na na-form with two adjacent arc, ibig sabihin ng adjacent ay magkatabi, then its measure is the sum of the measure of the two arcs. So, dito sa circle B, meron tayong dalawang adjacent arc. Yung arc CD at saka arc DA. And, mafo-form yung major arc na ADC. So, ibig sabihin dito, based dun sa ating statement or arc addition postulate, yung measurement ni arc ADC is equal to the sum of arc, measurement of the arc AD plus the measurement of the arc DC. That is the measurement of arc ADC. Another relationship of central angles is sum of the measures of the central angle. The sum of the measures of central angles of a circle with no common interior points is 360 degrees. No common interior points, ibig sabihin adjacent, magkakatabing angle. So dito sa example na to, we have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. These three angles are adjacent at saka they composed the circle. So ibig sabihin nito, kapag kinuha mo yung sum ng measurement ng angle 1 plus measurement of angle 2 plus measurement of angle 3, it should be equal to 360 degrees. An example of that problem or statement is this one. We have here circle E composed of three adjacent angles, the angle MEI, which measures 35 degrees, angle DEI measures X degrees, and angle MED measures 205 degrees. These angles are central angle. So it means we can apply the statement a while ago that the measurement of this three adjacent angle is equal to 360 degrees. So we have measurement of angle MEI plus measurement of angle DEI plus measurement of angle DEM is equal to 360 degrees. So substituting the value, we have 35 degrees plus X degrees plus 205 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So combining like term, 35 plus 205 is 240 plus X is equal to 360. So X must be equal to 360 minus 240, which is equal to 120 degrees. It means since X is 120 degrees, the measurement of angle DEI is equal to 120 degrees. Another relationship is congruent circles. Circles are congruent if their radii are congruent. Radii is a plural form of radius. So if the radii of two circles are congruent, then these two circles are congruent. So example, if BC is a radius of circle B, so here in this figure, BC is a radius of circle B, and NM is a radius of circle N. We have here NM is the radius of circle N. Then if BC is congruent to NM, then we can conclude that circle B is congruent with circle N dahil parehas sila ng measurement ng kanilang radius or ng radii nila. Next relationship is congruent arcs. In a circle or congruent circles, congruent arcs have congruent measures. So here in this circle B, we have here angle 1 and angle 2, which are congruent. So since they have equal measure, it means angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Another example of that statement is this one. We have here two congruent circles, the circle B and circle F. And states here that if circle B is congruent with circle F, then arc EC is congruent with arc HG and CA is congruent to HG. Why? Dahil dito sa unang circle, si angle EBC ay may measurement na 30. So it means yung intercepted arc niya na EC is also 30 degrees. And that is equal to angle CBA. So it means yung arc AC is also 30 degrees o yung CA natin. So dito sa kabilang circle, yung measurement ni angle HFG is 30 degrees. It means si arc HG is also 30 degrees. So it means silang tatlo ay congruent to each other, or si EC is congruent to HG, and then si CA ay congruent din kay HG. In this problem, we're going to find the angle LEC and angle OEB. So ibig sabihin, we have to find LEC. This one, yung measurement nito, this is X. And then OEB is this one. Ayan, we need to measure or to find the measurement of this. So based in this figure, kailangan natin maghanap ng relationship para ma-solve natin. So dito meron tayong diameter, yung OR ay hindi kita. We have here OR, or line segment OR is the diameter. So ibig sabihin, since diameter si OR, si arc OLCR is a semicircle. Ang semicircle ay may measurement na 180 degrees. And that semicircle composed of 3 central angles. So it means we can have the equation angle OEL plus angle LEC plus angle CER is equal to 180 degrees. OEL measures 45 degrees. Measurement of LEC is X, and measurement of CER is 60 degrees. That will be equal to 180. So combined like term, 45 plus 60 is 105 plus X equals 180. So we have X equals 180 minus 105. That is equal to 75 degrees. It means the measurement of angle LEC is equal to 75 degrees. Next, how about the angle OEB? OEB, or yung Y. We have also another diameter, which is line segment CV. CV is another diameter. So it means, since we already know the value of X, which is 75 degrees, we can also have angle CEL plus angle LEO plus angle OEV equals 180 degrees. So CEL, or yung LEC natin kanina, that is 75 degrees. And then yung LEO, which is 45 degrees. And yung ating OEV, which is Y degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. So combining the like term, we have 75 plus 45 is 120 degrees plus Y equals 180. So to solve for Y, we have 180 minus 120, and Y is 60 degrees. So ibig sabihin, ang measurement ng ating angle OEV is equal to 60 degrees. In the circle A, we need to find the measurement of arc RV and arc RVO. So it means yung arc RV is this one. And that measures X. And then yung isa, yung RVO, That is simula dun sa R papuntang B hanggang O. And based on the figure, si RO is a diameter. So since RO is a diameter, it means si arc RVO is a semicircle. And the measurement of a semicircle is 180. So it means arc RVO is equal to 180 degrees. Next, let's have RV. Based on the figure, we have another diameter which is CV. This is also a diameter. And this one, yung CV. CV is another diameter. And it means we have two arc there. We have CR, arc CR, plus arc RV. That is equal to the semicircle which is CRV. Yan. CR measures 60 degrees. Ito yung CR na to. This measures 60 degrees because the central angle is 60 degrees. So CR is 60 degrees and RV is X. And CRV is 180 degrees because it is a semicircle. So we can now solve for X, that is 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degrees. Since X is, or X represent arc RV, it means RV or arc RV measures 120 degrees. We need to find the value of BA or radius BA and radius DC here on this figure. The circle D congruent to circle B. So it means since this circle B is congruent with circle D, it means we have BA or yung radius BA is also congruent with radius DC. So it means we can have the equation 8x plus 6, which is the measures of BA, is equal to the measures of DC, which is 10x minus 4. Then we can solve for x. So transpose natin yung ating 10x, magiging negative 10x equals negative 4, transpose yung 6, that is negative 6. So 8x minus 10x is negative 2x. And then negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. So we need to divide both sides by negative 2 to solve for x. So x is equal to 5. So since the measurement of x is 5, we can now solve for radius BA, which represent the expression 8x plus 6. Substituting the value of x, we have 8 times 5 plus 6. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 6 is 46. So since BA is congruent to DC, it means DC is also equal to 46. In this figure, we're going to solve for the measurement of arc KC and measurement of angle IHK. Yung ating KC or arc KC is this one, arc KC. Ayan, yan yung ating arc KC. And this is a diameter. So it means yung arc KC natin measures 180 degrees dahil yung CK is a diameter. It means yung arc KC measures 180 degrees. And yung measurement naman ng IHK or angle IHK is pinagsamang IHT at saka THK. Si THK measures 90. So, ibig sabihin, we have the angle addition postulate na angle IHK is equal to angle IHT plus angle THK. So, since si angle IHT ay 20 degrees at angle THK na 90 dahil dun sa angle symbol na to, this one, it means this is 90 degrees. So, 20 plus 90 is 110 degrees. Ang measurement ng ating angle IHK is 110 degrees.